What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Deathstroke. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the inside edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this in and then up. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now I want to draw the top edge of the brow, starting back on the left. I'm going to go up and then out. Now we want to tuck the eye in underneath the brow. So we're going to start from this point. We're going to draw a circle, going all the way around, and then just tuck that up underneath. Let's add that thick trim around the eye. From the inside of the eye, step in, start with a point. Let's curl this up and out, and then just curl that up towards the top. Let's go back to the inside. We're going to curve around the eye, and then back up towards the top. Let's fill this entire trim in black. Now let's line up this point over on the right. We're going to close this eye with another curve, going across and then out. Let's move in between the eyes, step down, draw the nose. Start with a curve coming down and then up. Let's step up and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Now I want to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step over, goes down, go across the chin, and then pull that up towards the right, towards the same height. Let's leave a gap along the side of the head and draw the top half. So we're going to step up on the left, goes up and in, round out the head, go all the way across towards the right, and then bend that down. Let's add two bumps along the outside of each gap. So on the left, we're going to step up, bend this out, and then in, go over to the right, and do the same thing. Now I want to split the face in half, starting right in the middle at the very top. Go straight down in between the brow, go across the nose, and then down. Now with the face complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. We're going to start on the left side of the head, bend this down, across, and up. And then on either side, we're going to draw two angled lines coming out. Let's go back to the side, step down, we're going to add a curve for the body, going out and then down toward the hip. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And I'll connect the hips with a curve. Let's move up on the left side, draw another curve for the top of the belt. And then we'll add the buckle. Leave a gap in the center, draw one line on the left, one on the right. And then we're going to split the sides in half. Let's add that bandolier going across the body. So we're going to start from the top of the belt on the left, then it's out, and then up. Underneath the collar on the right, step up, draw that again. Now across this bandolier, we're going to draw a series of straight angled lines. Go all the way up towards the top. Let's go back to the center of the buckle, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we want to curve the bottom of the feet. So we're going to start with the left side, coming down and then up. Go back to the left side and curve the foot, going up. And then we're going to bend that down, aiming towards the heel. Just leave a little gap along the inside. And then we'll go back up to hips, curve the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Now I also want to add a thick sole across the bottom. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. From the top of the foot, step up, add another curve to the edge of the boot. And then we'll go to the hips, step down, curve the shorts coming in and then down towards the inside of the legs. Now I'm going to add a thin strap across the top of the left leg. So we'll start with one curve, step down, draw that again. And then on the outside, we're going to add a pouch, going out, down, and then in. Now I'm going to go all the way back up to the top and draw the arm stretched out towards the side. So let's start from the top of the collar, then it's down and out towards the wrist. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now I want to wrap the thumb around. So on the left, we're going to go up, bend the thumb coming all the way down, round up the thumb, and then bend that back up. And then from the inside, we're going to add the palm with one curve. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with the thumb, and then the edge of the palm. We're going to add 3 fingers along the outside. So starting from the side of the thumb, let's draw a half oval, going out and then in. From the bottom, add another one, going up underneath the thumb. And we'll do that one more time. Now I'm going to place the swords in behind the hands. So let's start with the handle underneath that bottom finger, coming down, across, and then up. And draw this in an angle. Now let's go to the top finger. We're going to draw the hilt. Going straight out, go up, across, and then down. Let's go to the center of the hilt. We're going to draw straight angled lines. We're going to follow this all the way up toward the top of the blade. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, going up towards the same height. Now on the end, we're going to angle this down and out, and follow that angled line coming all the way back down towards the hilt. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now from the bottom finger, step down along the handle, curl the palm coming in and then up, step down, bend the arm coming in towards the side of the body. Now halfway along the arm, we're going to add a curve to the edge of the gloves. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the ribbon coming out from the left side of the head. So we start underneath the ear, bend this out, in behind the sword, continue down, flatten off the end, and we're just going to taper this back in towards the side of the head. Let's add one more. Come down and then out, continue from the finger, flatten that off, and again do the same thing, coming back in towards the head. And then I'm going to add one strap across the top of the right arm. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Deathstroke. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.